Yeah, yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. I mean, today I'm trying to show you the differences between the different formats. What we are trying with the icon format, GIF format, or Moodle XML or XHTML formats. Especially as far as design cluster concern, design cluster. We will be dealing with the many equations, images, image based questions, mathematical functions, formulas. So in that situation, we have a lot of difficulty in framing the questions. Even I personally faced many problems, but here I'm trying to show you the exact differences between the formats in terms of imports or exports, so that you can save your time and so that you can save the exam departments or backend people time while uploading the questions, right? So actually, so here this is the question what I want to roll it out during the mid-semester examination. So there will be a question, right? And there will be an image. Okay, let me take that image. Where is it? Okay. Okay, so this is the image. So options A, B, C, D. So options are all different, not related to this particular question. So what I'm trying to say, show you is, so there is a differential equation in terms of double dot, single dot, and vector equations, integral, that two definite integrals, and differential equation, partial differential equation, and logarithmic function, matrix, and limitations. So I'm trying to cover all possible mathematical equations. So how can I frame such type of question in the model? So you know very well, so how to frame a question, the other settings. So especially mathematics point of view, I'm trying to open some old course in which I'll try to show. Already I have done some work so that we can save the time here. Okay, so I'll go to the categories. Okay, right. Okay, so here Moodle prepared. So I have created a question in the Moodle itself. So how it was means, so this is the question what I have prepared, right? So I have opened in the Moodle and I have created a question. So I have typed the question, I added the image through this particular option, I browsed it, and I have imported the image here. And while giving the options, mathematical options, so I have used this expansion of options, then this mathematical equations. So you have all possible equations, like see, like in your MS Office, you have all possible equations, Greek, Roman letters, everything. So I have taken all those things, whatever the options I have shown, right? I have given all the options, and once I have done, the question will looks like this when it is rolled out, in the same way what I have shown in the image, in the Word file. So let us suppose I want to convert this file to any of the formats, so that while the exam department is trying to upload, they shouldn't find any problem. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll try to export this particular question, right? So export. So I exported icon format, I exported gift format, I exported XML format, I exported XHTML format, right? So these are the formats which I have received. So icon format, you can see a typical icon format. gift format, you can see this is the XML format. Okay, so actually you cannot read like icon format. Fine. Okay, so okay, so let me close that. Okay, so and XHTML format, right? Okay, now let us suppose a faculty has developed these formats and you are trying to, I mean the backend people are trying to upload these questions. So what they will do? They will import. So let us suppose I am the backend guy. I'm trying to import the format which you have given. So let us suppose icon format. Icon format I'll upload, I mean I'll drag and drop. I'll try to download it here. So if that is the case, how your question looks like? So I'll show you here. So here you can find the difference, a clear difference. So I downloaded icon format here, imported. So your question will looks like this. So all your formulas or mathematical equations, everything will be converted plain alphabets and numericals. There won't be suffix, prefix, or else superscript, subscripts, integration, nothing. And this icon format only deals with plain text and plain numbers. No images, nothing, right? So this particular icon format doesn't suit the engineering applications where images, subscripts, superscripts, mathematical equations, formulas are there. Okay, come for the gift format. So I have downloaded the gift format, I mean imported the gift format, and if I go for a preview how the question looks like, it will be like this. See, text is coming as it is, no problem for the text and numbers, and even my equations, my mathematical part is completely reproducing. See, mx double dot cx dot. So differential equations in terms of dots, vectors, particular integral, differential equation, partial differential equation, mathematical function, algebraic functions, matrix, right? Even cubed root, nth root, all the things and limitations and many more. You can reproduce it. The only problem is you cannot bring back the image or GIF or video files in the GIF format. So GIF format is best suited for all mathematical equations and formulas and other things, but no image, no GIF means no multimedia. I can say like that. Okay. We have one more format while importing. See, whenever you are trying to import icon format, gift format, XML format we have. Even XHTML we don't have. So XML format, if you import, how it looks like? This is, so this looks like, yeah, XML import. So let me go for the preview. This is how it looks like. Text, plain text, plain numbers will come. Mathematical equations of all formats will be coming. Along with that, even you can get the image, GIF, means all multimedia, audio, video, image files, you can get it in this format just by drag and drop option. So only the thing is you have to have XML format. So this is the ultimate format, what I can say. You need not to skip the image based questions. You need not to skip the mathematical equations. You need not to skip any formulas. Please don't compromise, especially the design cluster subject faculties, don't compromise at this point of equations or images. Please use this format. Actually we have two sets as per our latest resolution, 2 formats of 15 questions, 15 questions. So it won't take much time to develop a question. So create question, just select multiple choice or whatever it is, anything is possible. Just put it, everything is just selecting option only while writing equations, and only out of 30 equations hardly will be having maximum 5 equations based questions. So please use XML format. This is the ultimate format, what I can say, right? So if you have any questions related to this, please get back to me. I'm happy to help you. Thank you. So this is Shashidhar signing off.